4305. 4305. I need office as well, can I make an ID? 1019 2047.
Watch out for a dog. Police Department. Farmington Police. Four 108.
108.
Can you try to call Mr. Jackson back? Tell him to come to the door. Hey, firm, if you can call the RP back and have him come to the door.
So, bro, sit down, Jim.
Farmington Police.
541, Discovery Center, Mount 40524, 2239.
Might have been 4308.
Is it 43 or 5308?
Yeah, it might have been 5308.
Is it not 5308? That's what it said right there, right?
No, it's 5305, isn't it?
108. Can you 10-9 the address?
5308 Valley View Avenue, had a confidence factor.
Don't tell me I'm wrong, Dylan. Oh, shit. Hey, hands up! Shots! Hey! Hands up! Fired! Shots fired!
1033 on channel 1023.
Yeah, you good? You good?
Yeah, I'm
Back
good.
up, back up, back up. Check yourself, check yourself.
I'm good. Dylan, you good?
What unit? 5308 Valley View Avenue. 10-4.
4108.
4108.
Off you're good.
We're 10-4. We're gonna back up a little bit. Back up, back up, back up.
You're 10-4 backing up.
Okay. 4108. We have one down at the doorway. Hey,
Copy, you have one down.
I got you covered. Move, move.
Okay.
Let's move out. Hands up!
Man!
Go! 4108. Shots fired again.
Copy, shots fired again.
415 units now.
Okay.
Farmington Police!
Hey, Dylan. Hey.
Somebody get the map.
4108. We're 10-4. I'm on the bat south. I'm on the corner of Largo. And we have good luck and a shot on the front. We've engaged two different occupants, male and female. Units, they took shots at us. So get behind your units. Hey, one get to the front over there. Around on Peace Valley. Yeah, over there on the other end. We got good luck and Dylan, all of us shot. They're on the other end.
There's a female crying inside. And male. Alright, so I'll go down.
All three.
Moving up on the.
Hey, don't move up. Don't move up. Back up right here. They just popped rounds off at us. Come back here. Okay. Fuck. Watson Estrada, are you 10-4? Hey, I'm having Sergeant LaMonica move up to you with his unit.
Directive, we can get some shields.
10-4. Okay, so this is our target house right here. They popped. Okay. Hey, Lynn, whose unit is this right here?
My unit.
Bring it around so we get more cover. So just bring it around.
Got it?
Hey, he's got contact.
Okay. You're good. Hey, they're right there. They're right there. Don't put your gun on them.
Okay. I can't. I don't know where everybody's at.
They're right here. This is the house. Watch that window. Hey.
Hey, you watch bottom left, I'll watch top right.
Okay.
Top right, bottom left. I got
Okay.
bottom left.
They're right there. Blue's right there in this alley.
Okay.
Okay, get another unit to the front. Hernandez, you do that. Tobble, stay here.
You want me here?
Yeah, stay here. Fuck.
You okay? You good, dude?
Yeah, we're good. We're good.
4114, stage medics. We're staging.
Estrada to good luck. You guys want to move back over here? Do you guys want to move to cover over here in the back? Here. We got Dylan coming up. Dylan coming up. Yeah, you're good. Come on. Come on. Push, 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 push. Okay.
Where do you guys need? You need the shields up front.
Up front. So go to Estrada. Hey. Yeah. Go with him. Go to Estrada. Okay. You good? Hey, you good? Yeah. Let me check you real quick. Okay.
So, Monica, what do you need?
She said I go upstairs.
Burns, if you can come up to my unit
Okay. So,
at Valley View.
because you got the long gun, watch that top right there, okay? Dylan, just relax, okay?
Has he got that top window?
Yeah, he's got the top window. Actually, Lynn, take the back door.
Yeah, take the back
Tobble,
door.
take the back window.
I got this thing right in front of me, so I can't really see it.
Watson, you good?
Yeah, we're good. We're good. Just don't. Hey, no more excited utterances, okay? You're good. Hey, we're behind cover, right? So we could do a tack load.
I did.
Did you tack load? Okay. So Lynn, just kill that light on your gun. We'll just use the spotlight, okay? Get behind that cover, okay? Chop, chop. Okay.
Let's reposition it and put the fucking...
Hey, Lynn, go ahead and can you reposition it, please?
Reposition it and put the takedowns on there.
4142, we have to get on the phone. All the upstairs and 10-4.
Okay.
You good?
Yeah, me and Dylan we're so we come to we're knocking on the door, no one's coming out. I hear a metallic, like a gun cocking. Me, Dylan, and Estrada back up. The dude comes to the door, points the firearm at us, and then we get in a gunfight. And then female comes out of the house, and she points it at us as well.
And she's still inside?
Yes, from my knowledge. So Estrada's still up there on the front. I had Dylan move back here with me. We got containment real quick, so no one's came out of the house.
They're backlighted.
So we saw male go down, and then female came, and then
Where's Lamont?
at the front. I had them go to the front.
Whose unit is this?
All right, Lynn, here, let's go up here.
Good luck.
Okay. Target house.
Okay.
15 Prince 97. 30797. 10-4.
Yeah, we're good. I think we got units inside. It sounds like they got the female detained.
I'll get medics in there. 10-4, we're going in. Stanley and Sarge, we're at Largo and Pierre to Vista. Ready, need me, Prince? We don't need anyone else. Prince, to dispatch, we can, 22 medics. The subject is 10-7. 10-4 will cancel.
Stanley to Prince. You could come down to Largo and Piedra Vista to deny all traffic. You good, dude?
Yeah. 114. 114. Yeah, I just need a marked unit up to my location to shut down the street to me. Any marked unit, you go to 4114. Go there. And search and then the location. You can tell Monica's unit go east and shut down traffic. If you're having the next unit coming in, come to the next unit to the east of us here on the East Valley, shut the section down there.
Okay.
10-4.
escape. You
Our
guys
units are
served
over
it.
here. Yeah.
Figure out where Sergeant is. It was, you guys and then Strada.
Strada's up there.
Strada's up there. Let's go find the Monica.
He's up at front.
He's up front?
He's up front. I moved him up front. So just, let's just.
Come to our cars.
Yeah, let's go. We're good. Strada, you good? Yeah, just say anything.
You alright? Did you say kill cameras?
Yeah, just didn't say anything afraid yet. Are you guys okay?
Yes,
You guys good?
we're good.
Yeah, we're alright.
You okay?
Yeah.
Drinks, waters.
I'm good.
You guys can probably all go down rifles and whatever. I do need a unit to pull up, like, by mine right here and block this street off. And then I'll just grab you guys one at a time. Dawson, come with me. Shut your camera down.